We have the NGT, we have the High Court breathing hard on our neck as to whether we are complying or not. So it is our responsibility. Who files affidavit in the court are we. So we will be hauled up for contempt if we don't allow this to happen. Before allowing the NGT, and rightly so, or the Honorable High Court to issue such directions to stop totally the construction or giving of new permission or any type of new development, we thought it wise that we will take upon ourselves the task of monitoring the proper management of garbage, whether panchayats are doing it properly or not. What we have done is, earlier we had issued a circular that more than 4 dwelling units, it was for a short temporary period, that do not issue any permission more than 4 units. Now we have issued another circular where we have issued guidelines, we have issued the circular and the entire procedure. Whenever there are more than 4 dwelling units, they have to apply to the BDO. They have to file an affidavit with the BDO that they have complied with the garbage management plan. Garbage in this locality, in this colony, in this area will be managed scientifically, and once that is established, that they have a proper system in place, the BDO will go inspect, or an officer of the panchayat will go inspect. He will put a compliance report with the director. If the director is satisfied with this, he will send the file to the government, and I will clear it and send it back to the director to send it back to the panchayat to issue the construction license.